Cordylines are fantastic in any garden because they can go in containers, they can go in the ground, they provide amazing architecture, they provide structure, they can provide height as well because these can get really nice and tall. And of course, because of the colours that you get on here, they do provide amazing contrast, and that remains all year round. This one is the Australis green. It comes in the 2 litre pot, but look at how much plant you actually get from this. Now, it will grow a bit taller. It can grow to 2.5 metres in height. And it does this by the new growth coming from the centre and the old growth fading from around the edges here. So as you remove it, it forms a trunk at the base, and then you get this wonderful tree shape coming from it. It's actually really easy to look after. They love a sunny spot in the garden. You know, it's known as creating a bit of a Mediterranean feel. They're pretty tough and resilient as well. They can definitely cope with minus temperatures. They can go down to -6, -7. You just got to protect the crown in winter so they don't like wet and cold sitting in there. All you've got to do is tie them up like this for the worst days of winter and then release them, and you've got all of that beauty in your garden. You know, you're always getting fabulous quality from YouGarden, but check out the roots on that. It is definitely what I would call a rooty beauty. And they're really easy to plant. You can go into pots and containers. I've got a couple in pots, but they can go in the ground as well. And they don't need any special compost, just our special premium professional compost. And they're going to get the best start in life, and they're going to be absolutely amazing in your garden. So this one is the Australis green. If you like the look of it, then you can get one, but I would definitely consider going for more than one. In fact, we've got a whole range of them. So have a look on the YouGarden website and pick your favourites.